7 News live at 5. Coverage you can count on.
It has been 301 days since James Boyd was shot in the foothills. Today, a major break in the case.
The DA filed murder charges against the officers involved, Keith Sande and Dominic Perez. Sande's attorney says it's a bad decision, but Carrie Brandenburg says she has a very strong case. Right now, we are bringing you team coverage of the announcement. Action 7 News broke the story and the officers officially being charged on KOAT.com.
It is the first time District Attorney Carrie Brandenburg has filed murder charges against officers involved in a shooting. Action 7 News reporter Regina Reese has been on this story for us all day, and she talked to the District Attorney about her decision.
Doug and Shelley, the district attorney says she's been thinking about pursuing charges since October, and it was a decision that didn't come easy.
Did I struggle? Did I struggle? Yes. Yes, we struggle, and I hope we struggle. My God, if we didn't struggle, then I would think we're not doing our job.
In her 4 terms as district attorney, Carrie Brandenburg has never brought charges against an officer involved in a shooting. So Action 7 News wanted to know why this case and why now.
We think that there's evidence that gives us the legal standard probable cause. We've always said that if we can meet that standard, we will go forward. We believe that we can meet that standard, and we are going forward.
The DA would not elaborate as to what those specific facts and evidence are for probable cause. She did talk about the different route she's taking. Instead of a secret grand jury deciding if the officers will be indicted behind closed doors, a judge will determine probable cause in an open preliminary hearing.
We refer to it as a mini trial where evidence is heard in court, open court. The defense can cross-examine and present their own testimony, and then a judge will make a decision.
Here's the court process. At a preliminary hearing, a judge will determine if there is probable cause. If there is, Sande and Pettis will be bound over on the charges, booked and arraigned.
We want them to see it as it's unfolding. I think that that's critical to be transparent.
Sande and Pettis are both charged with first-degree murder, second-degree murder, and manslaughter. Keith Sande retired in December from APD after several months on administrative leave. Dominic Pettis has been on administrative assignment since the shooting, and APD will now review that as this case moves forward. Now, Target 7's Nancy Laughlin talked to Sande's attorney today and joins us with his reaction to the charges.
Keith Sande's attorney is firing back, saying the now retired APD officer was defending a fellow officer when James Boyd was shot and killed. Attorney Sam Brigman says Sande is saddened by today's announcement, but also looks forward to all of the facts in this case coming out. Brigman says James Boyd had threatened 2 open space officers with knives hours prior to the fatal shooting on the mountain last March. He says when Officer Sande and Pettis opened fire, James Boyd was 8 feet away from APD's dog handler and armed with 2 knives.
There is not one shred of evidence to support any mens rea or any criminal intent on the part of Keith Sande. To the contrary, Keith Sande was following his training and very likely saved the life of a fellow police officer.
Brigman called the district attorney's decision to move forward with the murder charges, quote, terrible. He says James Boyd had a very long and violent criminal history, including carving up another man's face with box cutters in a separate incident in 2009. We did reach out to the attorney representing Dominic Pettis, but he did not return our calls. We will have more on this coming up at 6 and 10. Back to you.
And Bregman says the city is not paying the legal defense for Keith Sande or Dominic Perez. He says both officers are paying out of pocket for legal counsel. Today, the Albuquerque Police Department responded to the filing, saying the situation is of great concern to all parties involved. The department says having the case presented this way will allow evidence to be presented in a transparent and public forum.
We now know the names of all